there, this is Elisa with WTI. Were you aware that UV light damages all structures of the eye? Let me show you how these running glasses have worked excellent when going for a jog. Tifosi Tyrant polarized wrap sunglasses work wonderful. I love that they're lightweight, they protect my eye perfectly all the way around, but at the same time allows for good airflow so it prevents any fogging. These are perfect for any outdoor activity. I bring it to the beach, I bring it whenever I'm taking a jog or just a walk. They are great since they protect 100% from UV rays. They have this comfortable rubber ear and nose pads that increases the grip whenever you break a sweat. I love these sunglasses. They are the perfect fit, small, medium, and I highly recommend them. So no need to continue damaging your eyes if you have found the right sunglasses. They have a variety of them. I've been loving these, but that's just my point of view.